Hi, everybody. Hey, it's always an interesting and fun experience to sit here and do a Facebook Live when I'm not seeing it because it doesn't transfer through immediately. And that's okay because I love learning new things all the time. I wanted to share with you that I'm coming very soon to doing a workshop on emotional regulation and calm. There is a really big need to have people be equipped with more tools and understanding on how they can actually give value and strength to their own mental health. There's a lot of need for this out there in the world today. Now, I've just spent some time talking with one of my clients. I will be a guest speaker at a health and wellness expo that's coming up in about 6 weeks' time, but I'm also doing a workshop online if you are interested. Now, one of the things that I would like to be able to share with you around some of the aspects of mental health just today, or not even just mental health, but just healthy living, healthy mindset, healthy body and emotions. I wanted to share a little around the value of emotions. Now, I know, emotional outbursts and, they're so emotional, and there's kind of a negative connotation to emotion sometimes, but they're really, really good things. Right? There's really good value in having emotions. Emotions is energy in motion. Um, Emotions are there to actually give us movement and motivate us to a cause, to an outcome, to something different than what we're experiencing in this moment. For example, emotions communicate ideas or concepts. Emotions can be the way I communicate that I'm really annoyed with you and this is very frustrating. So I'm communicating to somebody else. Emotions which I'm learning to uh, enjoy, I suppose, within me are communicating to me what's going on. Sometimes in conversation with me, you might see me go, ooh, ooh, like, because I can feel some emotion coming up, or I'm holding my chest or my tummy because I can feel there's this energy moving around within my body, and that is communicating something to me. This is where a lot of this is where people could probably gain value in experiencing what's going on within themselves, taking time, identifying and becoming aware of emotions within, and the message and the voice that it is actually wanting to share with us, to give us some wisdom. Emotions are also there to cause us to do something. Sometimes it's to do it quickly. For example, if village life, for example, and there's the kids playing outside the village over there over near the rocks and on the field, and mama in the village sees that there's a lion coming and coming towards the kiddies that are playing outside. Look, I'm making this all up. I know you can get the idea of this metaphorical story. And mum's not going to stand there and go, now I wonder if the kiddies can see the lion coming. I wonder if they will be able to move in time to get out of their line of danger. I wonder if the lion's actually hungry and is wanting to eat my children. Nah. Emotion says respond straight away. It's causing the energy within to move into action. It motivates to an outcome, and the outcome is there to protect, to save, to make sure that the kids are safe. Emotion also does the same thing for us as well. We might feel that we are threatened and that we are in danger of some description, that we're not safe, or somebody is threatening us, even if it's just perceived, even if it's not real. It might be perceived as a danger, and so emotion comes through in order to protect ourselves. Perhaps we get angry because we think that we're going to be attacked, and it's like, stay away. Emotion can be loving, and it encourages us to go towards somebody that we really love, or jealousy is to encourage us to hold on to something. They're all actions, and they're all caused from that stimulation from emotion. So emotions are a wonderful thing, but sometimes we need to understand how to regulate that and do it in a way that we may not have the skills to do at this point in time. So I'm doing this workshop, and it's called Emotional Regulation and Calm, and we will cover some things that I've just mentioned and some other aspects of how we can identify ways in order to regulate our emotions understand our emotions, understand the mind and how the emotions come through and what that really means. But what voices do our emotions really want? What is it wanting to express to us? What wisdoms can we gain, or how we can change our behaviors that are the outcome of emotions that may not be in our healthy, wise, and best interest, or for those around us. And that's where we can, in our world, often be uh, have negative effect or impact from the emotions of other people. Criticism, violence, yelling. Emotions can be definitely catastrophic, but they can be brilliant. And the purpose of our mind is to do all these wonderful things. So we can find value in having emotions. We can find value in the expression of them and where they're best placed, and how we can have a little bit more regulation around that, and therefore find peace and calm within the body. I just wanted to open this opportunity for you to reach out if a workshop that you would like to come along to sounds stimulating or interesting or satisfying in some particular way for yourself or someone else. Just pop a like or a comment of some description in the comments down below. I have yet to actually finalize the Eventbrite workshop linkage. I've got all the documents. I know how that's going to work. It'll be within the next few weeks. And if you are interested in any way, or maybe you could tag somebody that's interested in this kind of thing, that it would be really good to have an interactive workshop experience. It won't be live on Facebook, but it will be live via Zoom. So we will have opportunity to share and talk and discuss different techniques. That's it for me for now. Wanted to just lay the land, give you some ideas, give you something to stimulate over, and perhaps there's a reason for you to reach out in regards to what I've just shared with you today. And apart from that, hope you have a loving and wonderful and safe day, and you experience some very heartfelt and healthy emotions and the thoughts and behaviors that go along with it as you go through your journey today. It's Leanne here, Lotus Energies. Love to chat. If there's something in particular that you want a little bit more about, just reach out. Love to. Chat later. Bye.